How to enable HVCI for Valorant. Now that's very easy. All you have to do at first is to check the status of your HVCI. So to do so, just simply go into your Windows icon, type in run, hit on enter, and then type in msinfo32. Hit on OK, and your system information will be reflected on your screen. So just simply scroll down from the right portion, and this is where you can check to the status of your Hyper-V virtualization or from your HVCI. So if it's not turned on, it will say no, like on my end. This is very simple to turn it on. All I have to do is just simply close this first. Now go back to your Windows icon, type in core isolation. Now this is where you can enable it. Now, I won't be able to open it on my end because this is not supported on my operating system. But if it is on your end, then all you have to do is to open it up, and then memory integrity, make sure that that is turned on. Once it is already turned on, restart your PC and then go back to msinfo from the run on Windows. And that's it. That's how you enable HVCI for Valorant.